From season 4, episode 7, Best Laid Plans, Full Breakdown, Ending Explained. They said they finally had a plan. They said this was the episode everything changed, and they were right. Just not in the way they accepted. From season 4, episode 7, Best Laid Plans just dropped, and I need to talk about it right now because that ending, the Roger skin, Fatima and Smiley, this episode is an absolutely game changer. Stick with me. I am breaking down every major moment, every hidden detail, and most important, what that ending actually means for the rest of season 4. Let's go! Quick recap what you need to remember. Real quick, here where we stood going into this episode. Boyd and Jade discovered the hidden door in the colony house basement. Jed mushroom trip gave him vision of a tunnel, kids' bones, and a possible escape route. The man in yellow has been controlling things behind the skin. And Sophia, who is basically the man in yellow walking around in human form, is living right among the residents, smiling in their face while secretly sabotaging everything. Oh, and Roger dead or so everyone thought. Now enter episode 7. The plan Bond goes all in. This episode opens with Bond and Jed doing something huge. They finally tell the entire township what's going on. Yes, all of it. The kids' bones, the tunnel, the theory that Jim was killed as a warning because he was getting too close to the truth. For season we have watched characters keep secret from each other. The band finally say enough. We need everyone on the same page, and honestly, that moment felt earned. But here, where the plan gets complicated, instead of immediately going to open the hidden door in the basement, what we have been waiting for. Judge suddenly gets second thought. He not ready, not yet. I know, I know. Frustration, but here why it matters. Voyage period, he decide they not proof of concept first. They need to know can Tabith Tupem weapon actually kill the creatures? Because if it can, that change everything about how they fight back and eventually escape. So beyond draw up a taste a dangerous one. Knee nightmare, the test goes wrong. Beyond wanted to run the test himself. He had a whole plan. Lurie Creature used the totem spear, confirmed the kill, but Beyond tremors are getting worse. Elise and Nee see it. They convince him it's too dangerous for him to go out there personally. So Nee volunteers to take his place. Brave, absolutely smart, well. Nee goes out, night falls, the creatures come and the totem the it don't work. Beyond theory fails completely. The creatures are not affected. Now Nee is trapped, surrounded, and he makes a desperate escape to a nearby bus, climb to the roof, and for a few heart-stopping minutes, it really looks like this is the end for Kinney. This skin is generally one of the most terrifying things From has done in 4 seasons. The direction, the sound design, Nee standing on that roof like he accepted his fate but refused to go down without a fight. It's brilliant TV. And then out of nowhere the creatures stop. Smiley back off. Why? The biggest twist Fatima can control Smiley. Okay, this is the moment of the episode. Let me break this down clearly. Remember when Fatima, Ellie's partner, gave birth to Smile, that horrifying moment earlier in season 4. She been talking about still feeling a weird connection to Smiley ever since. Most of us probably thought that was just trauma talking. It was not. Episode 7 revealed that Fatima can literally see through Smiley eye, and more than that, she can control him, at least for short broughts. When she senses Nee is in danger, she uses that connection to pull Smiley back to distract him, and it saves knee life. Think about what this means. The residents have been completely powerless against the creatures for 4 seasons. But now one of them has a physique linked to a monster that's not just a plot twist, that potentially the biggest weapon Farmville has ever had. The question now, how far does that control go? Can she use it deliberately? Can the man in yellow counter it? And what happens to Fatima? It she push that connection too hard. There are the questions the next three episodes have to answer. Sophia move, Roger returns. While all of thing is happening, Sophia, the man in yellow human vessel, has been watching Beyond Plan unfold from the inside. She asks questions, she listens, she smiles. She learns exactly how much progress the residents are making, and then she goes to be said with an egg. She revives Roger, who looks like a sew up, reanimated version of the doll creatures, and say three words. It's time to play. And Roger, this hybrid monster, break into Colony House in the final minute of the episode. The chores that follow is pure nightmare fuel. Now here the brilliant details. No one die in this attack. That intentional. The man in yellow does not want to kill the residents. Not at. He wants to break them, demoralize them, make them feel like no plan can ever work, and having a monster attack from inside their safe space. That's physiological warfare. Sophia is terrifying not because she kills people, but because she has been right there the whole time. Trusted, welcomed, and she been feeding the enemy everything they need. Deeper details you might have missed. Henry Spriel. Sophia has been poisoning Henry literally with her blood, and also mentally planting the idea that Formili is all a dream they need to wake up from. Henry is one bad day away from doing something very dangerous. Second, Fatima Golem. The dirt and clay totem she made, it comes from Persian religious folklore, her father's story from Iran. The golem is meant to be a protector. This was not random character flavor. The show is building toward Fatima being the most important person in Fromville. Beyond Tremors, this is being set up as a major limitation from him going forward. He the heart of this show. What happened when he physically can't lead anymore? Acosta mission. Beyond tasked Acosta with researching the man in yellow, we don't see major result at but watch this thread carefully over the next few episodes. What's coming? Episode 8 prediction. What's coming? Episode 8 prediction. Episode 8 is titled Heavy in the Head and based on everything that just happened. Here, what I think is coming. Beard has to reckon with the fact that his plan failed and he losing his physical ability to protect people. Fatima connection to Smiley is going to be pushed further and the man in yellow is going to notice. Sophia cover might start cracking, someone is going to be suspicious, and that hidden door in the basement. We are finally opening it. We have to be. There are only 4 episodes left in season 4. The show was promised as answer. This episode just lit the fuse. Final verdict based lad plans is one of the best episodes from has produced. It's terrifying, it's emotionally devastating, and it completely reshapes what the rest of the season can be. The totem plan failed. Sophia is winning, but Fatima might be the answer nobody expected. If you are not catch up from, go watch it. This is the kind of show that reward every second of patience you gave it. That's my full breakdown of every season 4 episode 7 best laid plan. Drop your theory in the comment. Can Fatima fully control Smiley? Is Sophia cover about to blow? Let's talk. If this video helped you make sense of that insane ending, smash the like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow, and subscribe so you don't miss episode 8 breakdown the moment it drops. I will see you in next one. Stay out after dark, people. I bye bye.